Hello everybody, welcome back. Today is Friday, so I will be doing a little bit of makeup therapy, which means I'm gonna put some makeup on and maybe not tell you exactly what I'm doing, but I can tell you that on my eyes I have used the $10 palette by Profusion, the Festival palette. You can get it at Walmart. They're literally $10 for like 35 very pigmented, very blendable shades. I love it. Everything that I've gotten from Profusion so far, but the real star of the show today is a little gift that I got from my husband who went out of town and got me something by surprise. Ta-da! I know what you are thinking, you filthy little minded people, but that is not what it is. This is actually a beautiful Guerlain lipstick, and it's got a cute little case and all this cool stuff. So I will show you guys everything about this $60 lipstick after we get this eye and face done. So if you want to go ahead and fast forward to the end, go for it. But if you want to see how I got this beautiful eye look, keep on watching. And if you guys like this video, if you like me, you like what I do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, do whatever. Let's get on with the video. In my opinion, every good makeup therapy day should start with a little bit of skincare therapy, you guys. I love it. Makes me feel like I'm doing something good for myself, and it really does make a big difference when it comes to makeup application. So after this is, you can see half of it is dry down here, and then the rest of this is still wet. Once it's dry and I wash it off, I'm going to shave my face and exfoliate the skin with that, and then we'll be ready to put on some fun makeup and to show you guys a little present that I got. Now that I've got my face all nice and primed, we're gonna go in with my MAC Painterly Paint Pot and prime the eyes. And I'm very excited because we're gonna use my $10 palette that I got from Walmart, and I think you can get it from like Rite Aid or CVS. I'm not sure. I know that you can get it at drugstores, but it's also in Walmart now. It is the brand, I don't know if you can see it with my lights, Profusion, and this is the Festival palette. They are $10, you guys. And you get, let me see how many you get. 35 pro matte shades plus some shimmery shades. Like, it's really, really good. I've been impressed with everything that I've gotten from Profusion. I have some of their bronzing palettes and highlight palettes, and they're really, really good. I'm impressed with them. Give it a try. I'm gonna run my paint pot under my eyes because that's what I like to do. The very bridge of my eyelid is very red. I have super, super sensitive eyes, so they're always red. So sometimes I like how that looks when I can prime that and then the color really, really sticks and it doesn't fall down. Good little tip. All right, so I'm mostly gonna be sticking in with these pink shades here, a little bit of this, and then maybe something to deepen the outer corner. We'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the bubblegum pink, and then I'll probably deepen it up with this one. And I don't have a mirror. But today I'm getting ready for something super exciting. I am going to be doing some on-set production makeup today. And so I'm super excited. I have been trained, but it will be my first actual production job. I'm very, very excited though, because for me, the whole point of this was like, I want to be challenged in life, and this is definitely a challenge with like every job, every gig, because I'm so new at it that kind of everything is new. I mean, I've done a few beauty shoots. Let me throw up the images right here. And then I've done a couple of like stylistic shoots. Right now I'm currently working on a boudoir, very, very G-rated boudoir because I'm not really into anything very risque, but I do want to do a very romantic boudoir shoot. I've got my models, I've got my photographer. I have not yet been able to figure out where I want to shoot this little adult situation. And it's not like it's even that adult, honestly. It's just that the outfits that they will be wearing are gonna be like, the girl's gonna be wearing like a nude slip. The boy will be wearing like a white t-shirt at first, and then he'll probably just be wearing like nude briefs or something like that. You know, I mean, it's not gonna show anything, but it's going to be very, very artistic, very, very romantic. But I've definitely got a lot of what they call irons in the fire. It's very exciting. I feel like it's a dream, but I know it's real. It looks a little cray-cray right now, but I promise it's gonna be cool when we're done. Right now I'm just gonna take a clean, fluffy brush and just make sure she is blended nicely. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the deeper shade. And we're just going to deepen it up ever so slightly. As you can tell, these colors in this palette, $10 palette, they are really pigmented. They blend like a dream. And as you can see, I'm just tapping her on. Building, building. I feel like I might end up throwing a purple in there. Just towards the very, very outer edge. Take my finger and just tap out this edge here. To the other side. Very excited to try out this lipstick. I'm sure it's good. It's just, you know, how good can it really be? Is my opinion. That's my opinion, is like, it's lipstick. How magical could it be? But maybe it's magical, you guys. I don't know. We're prepping for magic. All right, now I'm gonna go in with my Inglot gel liner. Ooh, I'm making a mess because I'm using the biggest brush ever. Go back in with that very first pink that we used. And just tap, tap, tap. Make sure that the white and the pink have a nice blend. Go ahead and use your finger. Don't be afraid. You can cut your lid out with concealer or whatever you want. I use the Inglot gel liner with a little bit of Duraline mixed in. just to make it stay proof all day. If you ever want a product that can turn any lipstick or eyeshadow or mascara or anything into waterproof, look up Duraline. It looks like this. It's by Inglot. And it can turn anything into a waterproof material just with a little drop. And a little dab will do you, so don't use too much. And then I'm just going in with that darkest pink that I used, the second one, and just tapping her back on a little bit, just towards the outside edge. I don't know, I don't think I need the purple. These colors are so pretty. So pretty. And I'm gonna use the first shade, which is called Winning. Cracks me up. To just set this white and help it give it a nice little blend with everybody else. Guys, these palettes really are ridiculous for $10. I don't know if you guys can hear my dog snoring right now, but he is full on like snoring, so if you can, sorry. All right, we're gonna run the pink, the brightest pink shade. We're gonna run that under the lash line. Hi, Brady. All right, now the last thing I want to do on my eyes for color is a little bit of the Wet n Wild loose highlighter. And what I'm going to do is put a little bit of this Duraline on the back of my hand. And then I'm gonna grab a little bit of highlighter on my brush. And I'm just gonna make a little mix, and it makes it immediately into like a Stila kind of glitter glow situation. And then I'm going to tap it out. This is so cute. This is so cute. I dig. I dig. What do you guys think of my, this is kind of like my makeup artist hairdo. I wear it usually when I'm working. It's like a bouffant mohawk, kind of. Comment below what you think of it. I'm curious. My hand. Alright, so now I'm just going to put on, curl my lashes, put on some mascara and lashes, maybe lashes. We'll see. We'll see how my lashes are looking. It'll be a surprise. And then after that, we'll do the face real quick, and then we'll put on my special little lippy. And we're just gonna shrink down this forehead, I hope. Cut her off at the quick. Bring these little dome areas down, please. Moving on to blush, I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics Duo Cheek Color in Caribbean Coral. It's really pretty, I really like it. And I feel like it's lasted me a really long time. I got a present. Somebody went to Paris, not really, you went to Disneyland, and got me a present that was very unexpected, and the fact that he even knows what Guerlain is, I don't even think he does. I think he just was like, here, how about this? But my husband went out of town with a friend and got me a little gift. Now first I want to show you, in my little gift I also got a little sample of the Guerlain perfume. I don't know, it says Mom, I don't know what it says on here because it's all in Paris, French, French. It's all in French, and so I don't know what it says or what, but it says, I think it says Mom. It either says Mom or it says Mun. Whatever, I'm gonna pretend it says Mom. You guys, when I tell you this smells so good. This smells like the inside of a rich woman's purse. Ta-da. I know what it looks like right now. You just hush your mouths in the comments. It gets even better, you guys. Watch this. So here's the lipstick. I'm going for the pink look, clearly. But this is the top that goes to it, and it's got this little mirror, and the top of it is like real marble, and it says right on the front, Guerlain, right here. And then you open it, and my husband got my name right there on it. I don't know if you can see it, I can see it, but it says Sarah. And it's so cute. And it's supposed to be, you know, little do your lipstick kind of a thing. So I want to go ahead and do it. Use it for real. I mean, this color is so pretty. Oh my gosh, it even says Guerlain on the lipstick. Oh, you can't see it. It's so tiny. But it's actually printed on the lipstick, and it says Guerlain on it. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, let's go ahead and put it on. Let's do it. I'm using the little mirror. And there you guys have it. We'll close the mirror, put it in the case. It's super heavy duty. I know what it looks like. Obviously won't be traveling with it. All right, you guys, I'm gonna hit it with one last little hit of setting spray. Really lock it in. And this is it, you guys. I'm sorry about if the lighting is a little like green or blue or something. Hopefully it doesn't look like that online, but I'm very excited. I'm ready to go to work. I'm feeling super pink and super like, hi, how are ya? I love this lipstick. I don't know if it's worth $60, but it's beautiful. It feels really nice. Feels a lot nicer than my Wet n Wild lipsticks, I won't lie. But is it $60 worth? I don't know. Maybe I'll check back and see, post on my Instagram story and see if this lipstick happens to look fabulous like all day long. If you want to check that out, go to Sarah X Artistry everywhere, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Everywhere I am Sarah X Artistry. So go check that out. And thanks for watching, you guys. I will see you on Tuesday, and I'll let you know everything about this little on-set job. Not everything, because I had to sign an NDA, but I can just tell you like what I thought of it and what I think it will be like, and maybe if I will continue working in production. We shall see. All right, you guys, thanks for joining me. I love you the most. Have a great weekend. Bye.